Hi, I'm Tiffany, and I'm so excited to be going on this lunar journey with Morrocco Method.
Hello, I'm Jess. I am just starting up my lunar journey with Morrocco Method products.
Hi, I'm Amanda, and I am doing the Morrocco Method lunar journey.
My name is Kat, and I'm so excited to be doing this Morrocco Method lunar journey.
I'm hoping through this year I can see how the products will improve and change my hair, maybe make it long and shiny and bouncy, and then I can pass the love of natural products down to my kids.
My hair goals are lengthening and strengthening, but also having it be smooth and shiny and beautiful.
Really, I'm looking to lengthen, strengthen, and hopefully thicken as well my hair.
Thicker, more beautiful hair is my goal. I'm just looking for very natural, healthy, beautiful hair that is not, fake shiny from wax and silicone.
I've been on a holistic health and wellness journey over the last several years. So that's led me around to researching and understanding the importance of having natural products.
To bring my body into a state of holistic balance and using methods that are a little more natural, less toxic.
Being good for the planet and good for animals is very important. I've wanted to bring more natural products into what I use on a regular basis for nature, because Morrocco Method is where natural things happen.
The Lunar Hair Chart was created by our founder, Anthony Morrocco. He has dedicated over 50 years of his life to the art of hair, working with masters and shamans all over the world. In his lifetime, he has gained tremendous wisdom about ancient hair care techniques and practices. There isn't a better way to explain the Lunar Hair Chart and its purposes and benefits, other than the words of Anthony himself. Just as there is an ideal time to plant, weed, reap, spread compost, there are best times to cut or harvest hair. Aligning haircuts to the ebb and flow of lunar cycle astrology has a very powerful effect on the growth and maintenance of our hair. According to the ancient wisdom of shamans who consider hair a sacred part of the body, there are 5 elements each month to consider. Specific times enhance hair's strength, thickness, length, strengthening of its roots, and aesthetic beautification, provided we cut on the appropriate days. Otherwise, the remaining inauspicious days of that month will actually retard the growth of hair. Knowing retardation periods of hair growth can be a useful tool for our hair care as well. Harvesting unwanted hair at this time is ideal, the perfect time to pluck eyebrows or shave legs. The hair will grow back more slowly, if at all. In other words, the Lunar Hair Chart is a guide that we can use to harness and focus the moon's energy to benefiting our hair in several different ways. Those ways are lengthening, which promotes hair growth, strengthening, which promotes stronger hair, thickening, which promotes thicker hair, beautifying, which promotes more body and volume, and root work, which focuses on your hair follicles, the roots of your hair. Each hair goal is also tied with an element. Strengthening is the element of fire, thickening is the element of earth, root work is the element of water, lengthening is the element of air, and beautifying is the element of ether.
We have a very honored special guest, Hilton Tobin from Toronto, Canada.
I think it's more than just coincidence. I think it's fate that drew me to Morrocco Method and to Anthony. Morrocco Method hair care products restored my thinning hair and hair loss. This is without question and without hesitation the #1 hair care line in the entire universe. Anthony Morrocco transcends this completely. Are you getting proper sleep? What are your sleeping patterns like? What's your diet like? Are you breathing properly? Are you exercising? You don't hear that anywhere. And I know I certainly didn't until I came across this.